As a Photoshop user, you probably live by your shortcuts. They are the magic commands that make your workflow feel seamless. But when you move to a new program like Krita, your first question is usually, can I keep my shortcuts? And if not, what are the equivalents? In this new series, I'm going to show you how to transition from Photoshop to Krita without the stress. Today, we're looking at the stamp visible command. I'll show you Krita's equivalent so you can merge your layers non-destructively and keep your project editable. Let's get started. In Photoshop, as you already know, there is a way to non-destructively merge all your layers into one. Make sure that the very top layer is active. The new layer we are about to create will be placed above whichever layer is activated, and since I want the picture to be created at the very top, therefore I selected my topmost layer. Using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E, it creates a snapshot layer at the top of the stack. Think about it as taking a picture of your work. The most important thing here is that all your individual layers underneath remain untouched and editable. If you're wondering if Krita has a similar feature, the answer is yes. To achieve this in Krita, ensure your top layer is active in the Layers docker. Go to Layer, select New. Choose a new layer from Visible. And voila, you have created a snapshot layer and all your individual layers underneath remain intact. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next video. Au revoir et à bientôt.